In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on Adobe Scan, a powerful mobile app that turns your smartphone into a handy scanner. This is especially useful for those times when you need to quickly scan documents on the go. So let's dive right in and set you up with an account. First, you need to download Adobe Scan. If you're on an iOS device, head over to the App Store. If you're using an Android device, you'll want to visit the Google Play Store. Just type Adobe Scan into the search bar and download the app. It's that simple, and within moments, you'll have access to the app's robust toolkit designed for all your scanning needs. Once the app is downloaded, go ahead and open it up on your device. Right on the home screen, you'll see the option to get started. Tap this button to proceed to the sign up screen. Adobe Scan offers several ways for you to create an account. You can choose to sign up using your Adobe ID, which you might already have if you've used other Adobe products. If not, don't worry, you can easily create one directly through the app. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can sign up using your Google account. And for those using iOS, you also have the option to sign in with your Apple ID. Just select the method that best suits your preferences, keeping in mind that each option is designed with ease of access in mind. Now, if you opted to create an Adobe ID, there's just one more quick step before you fully access your account. Check your email inbox for a verification message from Adobe. This email is crucial as it confirms your new account. Just click the verification link provided in the email, and your account will be ready for use. Once you have verified your account, log into Adobe Scan using your chosen sign-in method. And just like that, you're all set to begin using the app to scan documents efficiently. The app converts your captures into PDFs with excellent quality thanks to its smart scanning technology. This can be particularly helpful when you need to digitize receipts, notes, or other important papers quickly. And there you have it. You are now ready to capitalize on everything Adobe Scan offers, making your document management both seamless and portable. Enjoy the ease and convenience of having a scanner right in your pocket. Thanks for tuning in, and happy scanning.